Hi, welcome to the Farrington channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over another passive income app. Okay, so the app that we'll be using today is called IP Pawns. They've done a bit of a rebrand at the moment and it's called pawns.app, and they've done a whole new fresh layout and theme to their whole website. If you have a Windows PC, Mac OS, Google Play, so this is like an Android phone or anything like that, or even a Linux Docker, you can install this onto the device. And what that means is per gigabyte, you'll earn 20 cents. And as you can see here, I've currently sent across 25.56 gigabytes and at the rate of 0.2. So let's have a little check to just verify the actual amount to make sure that what they are paying is correct, and times that by 0.20 cents, and that's correct. Okay, so as you can see there, guys, they do pay you for the exact amount that they're saying. One of the biggest pros of having like Pawns app is that it's just something that's just sitting down at the bottom of your dash bar, doing nothing at all really, aside from just transferring data across. I've never noticed a single decrease in my speed or my download speed or affecting any of my streaming or anything to do with any of my games. So this is one of those type of apps that I would really recommend. As I say, you can add this to your Android phone as well, so you can earn a little bit more. As you can see here, I do have 2 computers set up, and that's just in case while one computer's off, the other one will jump on and carry on earning for me. Okay, and in this section here, I thought that I would show you guys the payment methods and the payment choices that you have the opportunity to do once you reach your payout. So as you can see here, you set the country that you're from. Each country may have a different selection, but as far as I'm aware, it does stick standard to BTC payouts or PayPal only. And you can get virtual gift cards via Amazon, Google Play and Visa. Now, if you're looking to earn more money with your Pawn app, then one of the things that I would recommend is taking a look through their blog and having a look at their affiliate program. Now, if you currently sign up yourself or you send a link to your friends, they'll receive $1 when they start up, so that they don't have to take as long to actually hit their withdraw, and you can also earn 10% of every payout. Now, I'll also leave my referral link in the description for you guys, and if you do sign up and follow through that link, you'll receive $1 for when you sign up, and I'll also receive $1 when you guys do actually withdraw. And as I'll say, this is one of those apps that it does take quite a while for it to actually pay out. It may take about a month before you even hit your first payout. So make sure if you do get this installed either via Windows or via a Android or Linux device, just make sure that you do leave it running for as long as you can do, and just leave it there running in the background passively. And something that I thought that was also worth sharing and noting is that I received an email just yesterday from pawns.app explaining that our community is growing. We're proud to announce that on Monday, pawns.app has reached a staggering milestone of 1.8 million unique users. The app is beginning to be insanely popular, and our global community keeps growing rapidly, so it's a perfect time to set up your pawns.app game. Ride this wave, invite as many affiliates as possible, and get 10% of all their earnings from now and forever. As I say, guys, there's a couple of reviews from the individuals that have already signed up. My review is that it's a great app, and I've, as I can show you there, I have just hit the minimum payout, and maybe on my next video what I will do is I will do a withdrawal process, just so that you guys can actually see that this withdraws and that it confirms and pays into my actual PayPal account, and that's how I will do this. And if you guys would like to see that video, please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.